मोशन जब हमने स्टार्ट किया था, न्यूटन्स लॉज ऑफ मोशन, तो वहां सबसे पहले एक टर्म हमने सीखी थी, समझी थी, इनर्शिया। इनर्शिया हमने सबसे पहले पढ़ा था। इनर्शिया क्या है? फर्स्ट लॉ, एक्चुअली फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ मोशन, न्यूटन्स फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ मोशन इज द लॉ ऑफ इनर्शिया। तो व्हाट इज इनर्शिया? Inertia is a property of body. It is a property of body. What kind of property? To oppose. What to oppose? Any change. In which state of motion? The property of a body to oppose any change in state of motion is called inertia. It, it is not the oppose in motion, oppose the change in state of motion. Means if body at rest, it tends to be at rest. If a body is moving with velocity, with a certain velocity, it tends to keep on moving with same magnitude and same direction. This property, this tendency is called inertia. And how much is inertia of a body? How much? It is the mass. The mass of body measure its inertia. The mass of body measure its inertia. Larger the mass, larger is the inertia. Inertia of a hathi is large. You cannot easily change the motion of a hathi. हाथी चला हुआ आ रहा है, आप उसे रोक नहीं सकते आराम से. It means a hathi has a large value of tendency to oppose its change in state of motion. Why? Because it has large mass. If a hathi is moving, it tends to keep on moving. This property is called the inertia of hathi. Right? Now, you have, all of you have ceiling fans. In your home, you have ceiling fan. When you switch off, a fan, it it keeps on rotating for few moment. कुछ minutes के लिए it keeps on rotating for few minutes. When you switch it off, it keeps on rotating for few minutes. It means it has a tendency to oppose its rotational motion. The friction stops this motion ultimately, but a rotating body tends to keep rotating. A rotating body, actually I have to write the correct word, a body rotating about given axis. A body rotating about a given axis tends to keep on rotating about the same axis, about the same axis with same angular speed. If a body is rotating about a certain axis, it tends to keep on rotating about the same axis with the same angular speed. Then what stops a fan? What stops a fan? The friction between the different parts, different moving part of the fan make it stop. But a normal, if there is no friction, if there have been no friction, no air resistance, the fan will keep on rotating, rotating, rotating. If a fan is not rotating, if a body is not rotating about any axis, what it tends, it tends to, it tends not to start rotation. So a body, if a body is not rotating, it tends to not start rotation. If a body is rotating, it tends to keep on rotating. This is very similar to the inertia. A body at rest tends to be at rest. Body जो रुकी हुई है वो रुकी रहना चाहती है. You have to apply a force to change its motion from is stationary to a moving. If a body is moving, if a body is in motion, it tends to maintain its motion. It tends to keep in motion. It tends to keep moving. So similarly, if a body is rotating about a given axis, about some axis, it tends to keep on rotating. If a body is not rotating about any axis, it tends not to rotate about any axis. This property is very similar to the inertia, and hence it is also inertia. It is called inertia of rotation. It is called inertia of rotation. So every body shows a physical property called inertia of rotation. So what is the inertia of rotation? Inertia of rotation is the property to oppose. It is the property to oppose change. Change in state of rotational motion. Property to oppose change in state of rotational motion is called rotational inertia, and there is a specific name of this rotational inertia. It is called moment of inertia. It is called moment of inertia, and it is represented by I. Actually, this inertia, which has been discussed in Newton's first law, is the linear inertia, inertia and linear motion. This is the rotational inertia. Rotational inertia, and this rotational inertia is given a specific name, moment of inertia. क्यों दिया जाता है? Why moment of inertia? क्यों simply से हम rotational inertia नहीं बोलते? It is inertia of rotation, or it is also called rotational inertia. Rotational inertia. Simply, it is a property to oppose any change in state of rotational motion. Is the rotational inertia or inertia of rotation, or it is called moment of inertia. The property to oppose any change in state of linear motion. In state of linear motion, it is simply inertia. Now, inertia is given by the inertia, linear inertia, inertia and linear motion. Inertia is given by mass of the body. Mass of the body. So how to represent, how to calculate rotational inertia? How much a body possesses rotational inertia? How much? How much a body possesses rotational inertia? How to calculate this rotational inertia? It depends on two factors. Rotational inertia depends on two factors. Linear inertia, kinetic inertia, kinetic inertia depend only on one factor, the mass of body. But here, the rotational inertia depend on two factors. The value of rotational inertia depend on mass of body, and it also depend on what? It also depend on perpendicular distance from axis of rotation. It also depends on perpendicular distance from axis of rotation. It also depends on perpendicular distance from axis of rotation. There are two factors which decide how much is the moment of inertia of a body, the mass of body itself and the distance of axis from the distance perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation. These two depends these two depend these two are valid for point object. Point object means an object whose size is negligibly small as compared to distance from axis of rotation. For a point object mass, the moment of inertia depend on the mass of body and the perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation. For an extended body, there are more factors affecting moment of inertia. Shape and size of body also depend. The mass of body uh, distributed over it. The distribution of mass in the body also affect moment of inertia. So what is actually moment of inertia mathematically? Mathematically moment of inertia क्या? Mathematically inertia is the mass of body. Mathematical value हमें कहीं inertia use करना है अपनी mathematics में, अपनी physics में, तो what will we use? The mass of body. So what is mathematically rotational inertia or moment of inertia?